We'll quickly dive into, how do they actually work. So if we can have it on the screen itself only, I think that would help our audience. Yeah. So if you can remove me from the screen, yeah, thanks. Yeah. So how does AI agent work? So first we define the roles and set the guardrails. So we start with that itself only. Like, hey, AI agent, your task is to be a HR agent. Your primary goal is to resolve the employee queries itself only. You can access this data set, you can access this data set. These are the certain things that you can say, these are certain things that you cannot say. Things like that we can define with defined role and set guardrails. Then we connect to data source where we say you can use this data and you can use this data which is outside platform itself only. Let's say we can define that, and then we give the tools for execution. So basically tools are flows, script, basically any kind of automation that we have created. We can define that, like, you can use this, you can use that. So that is assigned tools for execution. Next, we have collaborate across systems and agents. So AI agent orchestrator kind of allows AI agents to, collaborate with other agents as well that we have built, with other automations as well that we have built. And the AI agent fabric, will allow us, probably not allowing right now, but will allow us to integrate with, other AI agents outside ServiceNow platform itself only. So that is something possible. And then it monitors progress and adjusts like how we are how well the AI response is coming out, how the response is getting taken as from the feedback itself only, and then it learn and improve, as we had mentioned earlier. So it learns and improve on the basis of that. And then we operated with governance and control with the AI control tower, and viewing how it's being utilized, who all are using it, and how well the responses are being taken by the person who are actually using that AI agent. So that is how ServiceNow AI agents work. Some of To some extent I will be showing you in the demo itself only. So just wait for a while. Then we have AI governance. So we talked about it a couple of times, AI governance, AI governance, AI governance. So what is it? So AI governance is, something that is built directly into the ServiceNow platform that allows a particular enterprise, that allows a particular company to see what all AI they are using, how they are using it, who initiated it, what all data it utilizes, what all automation it utilizes, how is it performing, is it bringing any value to us, how are people use it, how often they use it. So things like that they can do with governance, and they can make sure they are compliant as well with AI governance and service. Now they can make sure they are compliant as well. So that is also possible. And all of this is something being provided via the AI control tower. Some things are provided apart from that as well, but AI control tower allows us to do all of that. Now it might be coming to your mind, what is AI control tower? So let's have it on the slide so that you get much more clarity. So we move on to the next slide. Yeah, we can move to exactly, yeah. Right, yeah. So AI control tower is centralized command system. It's basically, you can look at it as a command system of a of a big enterprise where you have clear visibility what AI we are using, which LLM models we are utilizing, because ServiceNow allows us to choose the model that we want to use. We want to use the ServiceNow LLM model itself only. We might want to use something from Anthropic, something from OpenAI, something from Microsoft, things like that. So we can, define which LLM is being utilized, and then we can, enforce how it is being utilized, and then we can apply governance checks as well. If it is accessing this data, it needs to be done in a way where the data is masked, or this particular fields we are not sending. If we are sending information, we can send these 20 fields but not these 5 fields, so things like that. So we have governance inbuilt. Then we have full life cycle management. A particular department wants to implement AI agents. So what is it that they want to solve? What are the LLM model they would be utilizing? What all actions it would be, doing for them? So things like that we can control, and we can see who is actually managing that in that department, how well it is performing. We can manage that as well. With performance intelligence, we can see whether we are meeting the SLAs as well, whether we are reaching any risk, or whether we are breaching any kind of SLA itself only, or compliance itself only. We can track all of that from there. And then we have strategic and operational alignment, where AI deployment directly support enterprise priorities by embedding governance checkpoints right into them. So one of the use case that I was talking to somebody in ServiceNow itself only. They were ServiceNow platform architect. And we were talking, and it came to mind, as we saw certain companies have done something, and a lot of things break, and a lot of things comes up where there is security flaw, there is a loophole. So it's not that far away that we might hear the same for any of the AI, that we are utilizing, any of the LM models. So let's say 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line, you might hear this particular LLM has a loophole. This particular LLM is not working as expected, and it is kind of doing something unethical which it should not be doing. Now, as an enterprise, you want to know whether are we in that state or not. You want to know we have 10,000 employees, we have 36 agents deployed. Is any of the AI agent using that LLM model? You want to know that. How do you know that? How do you figure out whether we are doing that or not? AI control tower can help you in doing that. Just one use case. So that is how governance we have in ServiceNow, and then the new compliances that we are going to see come up with ServiceNow itself only, not with ServiceNow but with all the AI platforms. ServiceNow AI control tower will help us making sure we are compliant according to all of those things.